Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Qualcomm Pulse, where we bring you the latest news and insights on the world of finance. Today, let's dive into 5 stocks that are making headlines among retail traders and investors. First up, Microsoft, a technology giant that saw a slight increase in its stock price, closing at $513.24. But what really caught our attention was its strong fourth-quarter earnings report. CEO Satya Nadella highlighted the role of cloud and AI as key growth drivers, with revenue coming in at $76.44 billion, up 17% year-over-year. That's a big boost for Microsoft, especially given the increasing demand for cloud computing services. Qualcomm Pulse rankings indicate that Microsoft has a momentum in the 76th percentile and quality in the 41st percentile. It looks like investors are optimistic about the company's future prospects. Next, we have Meta, the social media giant that saw its shares fall by 0.68%, closing at $695.21. But despite this minor dip, the company still managed to exceed second-quarter earnings estimates and issue optimistic guidance. Revenue came in at $47.52 billion, which exceeded analyst estimates of $44.58 billion. And with earnings per share coming in at $7.14, that's a significant beat. Qualcomm Pulse has Metascored a quality of 67th percentile, indicating that while the stock may have some volatility, it's still a solid choice for investors looking for growth potential. With its strong revenue and earnings performance, Meta is definitely worth keeping an eye on. Now, let's move on to Nvidia, the semiconductor company that saw its shares rise by 2.14%, closing at $179.27. The reason behind this boost? The company's plans to resume shipments of H20 AI chips to China, following U.S. government approval. This is a big win for Nvidia, as it opens up new opportunities for growth in the Asian market. Qualcomm Pulse has Nvidia scored an edge stock rank of 73rd percentile, indicating that while the stock may have some risk, its growth potential is certainly high. With the AI chip market expected to grow exponentially in the coming years, Nvidia is well-positioned to benefit from this trend. Next up, we have Qualcomm itself, the company that reported a double beat in its third-quarter earnings. Revenue came in at $10.365 billion, an increase of 10% on a year-over-year basis. And with record auto revenue contributing to its financial performance, Qualcomm is definitely a stock to watch. Qualcomm Pulse rankings indicate that Qualcomm has a quality of 57th percentile, indicating that while the company may have some volatility, it's still a solid choice for investors looking for growth potential. With its strong revenue and earnings performance, Qualcomm is definitely worth considering. Finally, we have Robinhood, the trading platform that saw its shares surge by 2.69%, closing at $106.10. The reason behind this boost? The company's strong second-quarter performance, with revenue coming in at $989 million, a 45% increase on a year-over-year basis. And with crypto revenue nearly doubling, Robinhood is well-positioned to benefit from the growing demand for online trading services. While Qualcomm Pulse Edge stock rankings indicate that Robinhood has a momentum of 71st percentile and quality of 65th percentile. It looks like investors are optimistic about the company's future prospects. That's all for today's edition of Qualcomm Pulse. Stay ahead of the market with our top per-market movers and news, delivered to your inbox every weekday before and after the market closes.